Good afternoon. Once again, Diane Netling from Imsyser Health. We have dedicated a couple of videos to our new product ranges, and we're super excited. Over and above having the normal green intestinal cleanse, we've mentioned the parasite intestinal cleanse. These are all fiber products that are boosted with natural herbs and plants to assist with deep-rooted cleansing, and with one product it would help to remove the parasites. However, most people are totally deficient in good fiber levels, and as everybody would know, we are a massive moving microbiome, and these microbiome need and feed in the gut on your healthy sources of fiber and all the pre and probiotics that it gets. So fiber is crucially important for the gut, especially if you intend losing some weight. More importantly, just to fiber up. A lot of people are excessively constipated. They do not go to the toilet regularly, and they need some daily assistance. We have decided in the development of the product to not just focus on the need to put the fiber in. We've boosted the product with a pre and probiotic and a bit of inulin. All of this together would fully function within the gut to help and support good healthy microbiome, good healthy gut, good healthy fiber up, and good healthy pre and probiotics going into the gut to help that daily healthy maintenance. It's quite a simple product. Just to show you what it looks like, if you see on shelf, you will see it is a purple label. It's the Intestinal Biotic Fibre. We don't specifically refer to a cleanse. However, when fiber is involved, it does help in the cleansing process. As mentioned with all our other videos, you will notice that fiber is crucially important for people battling with cholesterol issues and just needing to soak up and absorb all that excess. And then obviously the detox factor should not be negated in any way as far when we're talking about fiber in a product. So it's a very niche, new product. Tastes wonderful, actually. It's not your typical cleanse, which we have the green and the orange one, which has got a bit of a nothing taste. This one is actually quite nice and pleasant tasting. As I said, it is a combination of healthy fiber and then the pre and probiotics with inulin to support daily maintenance. So it's not a necessarily cleanse, although it will help with that, but it was there. It's been designed and developed for adults and children alike to be used. Simply using 2 teaspoons a day. For kids, you would half dose. For pregnant ladies, you might just reduce that a bit, and you could use it once or twice a day, but normally 1 dose of the fiber in a tall glass of water. Drink a lot of water so we don't have the fiber needing to draw the water out of the gut and deplete that supply. Drink a lot of water so that the fiber can really bulk up and service your gut the way it was designed to do. So safe for kids, safe for children. We know children battle with getting in enough fiber. I think even adults battle to get enough fiber, and your health is going nowhere without making sure that the fiber, which is almost a nutrient to a certain extent, it's just an essential nutrient that is needed. We used to eat that when our diet was less processed and more driven by a nice plate of food with lots of greens and veggies. So a lot of people are missing in that, and this is where this product steps in. So have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.